Thinking Aloud. Conversations on the leading edge of knowledge and discovery with psychologist Jeffrey Mishlove.
I think when people actually see, I could be wrong about this, but I think when people actually experience happiness and wellness, that they become very reluctant to give it up. If you look at the Scandinavian countries that lead in almost all social outcomes, and you talk to people who come from those countries, they are very passionate about continuing the social policies that have gotten them.
Well, let me
there.
ask you this question then. Why do you think in America large segments of the population, not just in America, in other countries as well, in democracies where they have a choice, they can exercise a vote, they vote against their own self-interest?
Yes, because I think there are four major meta-trends that are going on that nobody talks about. First trend. For the first time in 500 years, being born white will not confer privilege. Just being born white doesn't give you a get out of jail pass anymore. For the first time in about 3,000 to 5,000 years, being born male will not bestow dominance. Third one. For the first time in 500 years, roughly, Western cultural values will not determine how the world runs. And the fourth one, the rise of neo-feudalism and the transfer of actual power from nation states to virtual corporate states. And people feel that, and they feel the anger and resentment and all of that. And all of those choices arise because we don't acknowledge the existence of these meta-trends, and therefore we don't prepare for them.
Because I hear people who have a different political philosophy than I do agree with you about the trends, and they say, I don't like it, and I'm going to do something about it.
Yes, I'm going to produce greater unwellness.
Yeah.
So the question is, it seems to me that the question is, how do we develop educational processes which help people to understand that what they want will be achieved through wellness in a way that it can never be achieved through fear and anger and resentment.
Isn't that fundamentally what John Dewey attempted to accomplish nearly 100 years ago in the development of what we now think of as liberal ideology?
Yes.